back. If you all are new here, welcome to the channel. I have a collective fall and Halloween haul. I will let you guys know where I got everything from, so if you guys want to see my collective fall and Halloween haul, just keep on watching. First item that I have here is a blanket. This is from Betsy Johnson, and Betsy Johnson, she does it for me each and every time. I've been looking for a blanket with skulls on it and then the red roses. It's so hard to find. I probably could have googled it, but I don't know. I got it for spooky season. This is probably gonna be one of the blankets I have on my bed. Like, I love it. It goes with my room. My room is basically like red and black. So yes, I freaking love this blanket. I did go inside Bath and Body Works. I only got a few things. I did get my birthday reward. First item right here, I'm taking it back. First of all, let's get into it. Just a brief little story that I have raved about the Bath and Body Works Noir cologne for men. That is my favorite. I love it. And I did not know they had vanilla Noir. I said, oh, just take me out. Cool. Okay, my aunt, she said it smells so good, this and that, boom, boom, boom. Gets to the store, I'm like, oh my God, this does smell good. Girl, no. Going back, I don't like it. Let's talk about it. Rich vanilla, bergamot spice, and patchouli musk. You could have left that spice. Why did you have to make this spicy? I don't like anything spicy. I can't stand that. So when you first spray it, you definitely smell that vanilla, like that rich vanilla. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna pair this with the original Noir for me. When it dries down, I don't like it personally. So I'm taking this back and I'm gonna exchange it for Immortal. That's another scent for men. I'm gonna exchange it because I don't like this. So the next thing I got from Bath and Body Works was this Vampire Blood Wallflower. I had this before, and my mom really likes this as well. I don't think I ever tried one of their lip products. I know a lot of people rave about it. It's like a shimmery tint gloss, it says. So it has, the scent is Bear Mint. This is supposed to have like that menthol kind of, you know, feels. So anyways, I picked that up just to check that out. Last thing that I got from Bath and Body Works, which I really wish I would have got the whole entire set, to be honest with you, and used my $10 off 30 or whatever the case may be, and would have got like a free full size. But I didn't realize how much I liked this until I got home, and I didn't know that this was the thing. I didn't know this was out. So this is the Bath and Body Works Vanilla Romance. I am late to the game. I haven't really been going to Bath and Body Works like that because I've been using what I have, and I just haven't really been checking for anything. And to be honest with you, I'm really underwhelmed with this year's Halloween stuff. I looked at it. I don't really see anything too much I want. If I get anything, it'll be backups, but I have backups already. But this Vanilla Romance, I like this. So the notes are fresh cardamom, vanilla absolute, and captivating woods. It's very perfumey. Yeah, I want the entire set. Like, this smells good to me. Okay, so that's everything that I got from Bath and Body Works. So let's move on into some Halloween things. Things from the new Beetlejuice collection. I just threw it in this bag here, from NYX. So yeah, NYX came out with a Beetlejuice collection, and I only bought a few products. I was very underwhelmed with that as well, so I didn't get a lot of things. So I for sure wanted the palette. I love collecting Halloween makeup, especially Halloween eyeshadow palettes. Their cheek palette is supposed to be like the little passport. And here is the cheek palette. I do like that I actually can wear the shades in the cheek palette, and I can wear it on my eyes. I did have to get some of the butter glosses. They don't have any names on them. I don't see it on here anywhere, just the numbers. So this one is 02, but I'm pretty sure the names are on the website. And this has like that they have like their swirl effect that they've been doing lately. Had to get this one. This is so cute. I love that. So I went to Spirit Halloween over the weekend. I got this hat here, and I wore this hat already, and it has like a diamond coffin on the front of the hat, and then it has the bats right here. I wish it would fit a little bit better. Maybe I need to kind of readjust it, but it's not the best probably have to play around with it. It's not the best, but it's something to throw on your head. Picked up this pretty fringe diamond eye mask. That's what it would look like. So if you want to do something simple like that for a Halloween, if you're going to a Halloween party and do like a cute little silver dress or something, or a black dress, I don't know, up to you. You know, you can do something simple like that. But this is so freaking cute. I mean, I needed some cat ears for one of my makeup tutorials that I will be doing. Cat ears, gonna be so cute. I can't wait to do my little tutorial. I picked up these earrings. They have the cutest earrings, like spooky earrings, and I had to get these. It says, "Hey boo." I was like, oh, I gotta get these. So yeah, these were $7.99. Oh, now listen, these were $7.99. I'm going back to get some more earrings, honey. That's gonna look so cute with like a cute little messy bun. Girl, I had my eye on this, and this is basically a journal, and I was looking at it online, but I wasn't too sure. I thought the red was going to be like that washed out, you know, kind of red, but when I seen it in person, it wasn't. So this was perfect. The pages, they have like that vintage Victorian kind of style to it. And then last but not least, honey, listen, I'm not going to use this as a lunchbox. I came up with another idea. This is like that old school lunchbox tin, you know, thingy. I'm going to put my makeup in here. This is like a cool little travel. You can put your makeup in here. Let me see what I can put in here to show y'all. Okay, if you like spooky stuff, you can put your little makeup in here, have it on your vanity, or just travel with it. So yeah, I was like, okay. So I was having a hard time if I wanted this or the Michael Myers one, but the color on this just spoke to me a little bit more. I got this one instead. I just thought this one fits, you know, me better. Yeah, so that's everything that I got from Spirit. I will be going back because I forgot to purchase. I wanted to purchase, they had like a skull and it had like some roses on it. I forgot to get it, so I have it in my cart online, and I'm probably going to use my 20% off because I have until September 1st, so I'm going to get that. Okay, so the next item that I have here are basically everybody's fall essential, and I never had a pair. I do have a pair, but they are pink. So I never had a pair of like Uggs, like the classic chestnut color. So I went ahead and got a pair. I was watching this girl's video, and she was like, you better get your Uggs now because they sell out fast. I don't know nothing about that. Is it true? Do they sell out fast in August and September and October? Like, I don't know. I only have one pair of Uggs, and I got them from Ross, and they're like hot pink. I never had the original pair, so I just got the classic. I think it says what is it, girl? I got a size 8 classic short 2. So I ordered mine from Macy's, and I'm super excited. I do want a short pair, and I kind of like the chunky ones, like the ones like the, I think you just slip them on and they have like that chunky sole. I think I like those. Yeah, I think I like those. Like, I'm the last girl in the world. I usually get like the fake ones, like from Ross or Burlington. But yeah, so yep, super excited about it. I'm gonna wear these out, honey. Leggings and Uggs and a sweater. I also wanted a pair of bear paw, so I seen some at Ross. I was hoping that I would see a pair, and so these were $34.99. You can see the difference between them, but who cares? I don't care. They're the same color. Like, I just thought, why would I'm gonna be wearing these to work anyway, because you know they're the cheaper ones. So girl, yeah, I just thought about that. But anyways, yeah, I want another color. I'll probably get like gray or something. So yep, got those. I did stop at Five Below. Five Below was right next to Spirit, so I did go in there and I picked up some pins, Powerpuff Girls, and then I got Nightmare Before Christmas, and then I got Wednesday Addams. I want some gym shoes to go with this. It says horror movies and chill, but look at the colors in here. Like the colors, like girl, I think I got a size medium. I probably should have got a large, but the colors, I just love this like slimy green and the purple. Like This shirt was so freaking cute. And then I picked up this Beetlejuice shirt for when I go to the movies. Yes, I'm wearing my shirt. I'm wearing a Beetlejuice shirt for the movies. I have a Beetlejuice book bag that I've been having for years, so I'm gonna wear that. Probably wear some black leggings with this and my dunks, of course, being extra. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this to the movies when I go. Moving on to like Marshalls and Ross. So from Marshalls, I picked up these cute shorts, and I'm gonna try not to pick up a bunch of Halloween pajamas because I got rid of some, and I'm just trying. I'm doing good so far. This short set for $9.99. I really like these because I love that pop of orange of the jack-o'-lanterns on the shorts. And then the second pair is just black. I wish they would have put another design on here, but whatever, they're gonna get worn anyway. Yeah, I really like those. Super cute. This is another thing that I don't want to be picking up a lot of this year, Halloween socks, but I had to get these. These are from Ray Dunn, and these were $6.99. This one is my absolute favorite because of the black and white, and on the back you can see the design of the socks. So got the little ghosty, and it says spooky on it, and then you have like the varsity style sock. I have the orange pair here. Listen, when I seen this bag, I was like, I gotta get it. This is the perfect bag for fall. Baby, I got the Steve Madden, what's this, the Bevelin? Yeah, Bevelin bag. Do you see this color? I immediately thought about like a khaki or tan color jogging suit, and I seen some Nikes, that some Air Force Ones actually, that will go with this purse. It's called Coffee, and I'm like, this is perfect. I love this color. I will say that these Bevelin bags are kind of hard to maneuver because they're so structured, you know, but I could not. I love the gold hardware on here. I had to get this purse, and like I said, it's in the color Coffee, and I hope they don't come out with any more cute colors because I don't need another bag, but I had to get that. That was really cute. So from Ross, I picked up this brush. I'm like, oh, I gotta get this brush. Okay, I love me a nice fluffy all over the face kind of brush. This is from Pure Benefits. This is their Airbrush Flawless Complexion Brush. And when I got to the register, I didn't know it was on, it was reduced to $3.49. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, it says bronzer, but I'm not gonna use it as no bronzer, but oh, this was a steal. I want to find another one. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I want to like do this right now. I love that. The next item that I got from Ross, y'all, I was like, yes. Okay, when I seen this, I was like, I'm getting this. At first I couldn't find my size, but I'm like, baby, I might have to fit into this small. This was $12.99. Girl, that's a baby fat. Baby fat. Yes, these are some baby fat joggers. Baby girl, I'm finna give me a cute, I want to find like a cute top, like a cute black top to go with this. I don't know, something really, really cute, or like a cute bodysuit. I just want something cute. And it has like that cargo style right here, and then it does right here at the bottom, you know, scrunch up. But y'all, look at that. I said, okay, baby fat. I got a size large. It looks like it's too big, but I be underestimating myself. So when I think something too big, it'd be right, or it'd be too little. And then here go the infamous cat right here. Like, honey, I could not. I got some more hair clips from the same brand that I showed you guys in my vlog. These glow in the dark as well. These glow in the dark, the skulls, and then you got the cute little bats right here. And then I got some more beauty sponges, and I was so happy when I seen these because I will see these all the time on Temu, and I wanted to get some, but I just never pulled the trigger to buy them. But so happy that I got them from Marshalls. These were $4.99, and these are so cute. From Marshalls, I also got this shower cap. I love Halloween, like skincare or self-care items, I should say. So this is going to be so cute when I do like I don't know what I'm going to call it yet now, like a spooky self-care, whatever, y'all know, for Vlogtober. So this was $3.99. So this is a shower cap, and I like it has like that that old school Halloween look. Oh, now listen, don't be falling out my hand. It says stay spooky. That is so cute. So I don't want to take it out yet. And then I picked up this spa headband and wristband. This was so freaking cute. Look at the pink little ghosty. So this is, wait, okay, this is the headband right here. I couldn't tell. So you get two ghosties on the headband, and then here is the little wrist thingy, you know, for your wrist. So yeah, so cute. And this was $5.99. I don't know if I said the price or not, but yep, got that. We're almost done, you guys. So I definitely had to get these sponges. I don't need any more, but I had to get these. These were $4.99. This is the Drop Dead Gorgeous Blending Sponge Trio, and you already know why I had to get it. Like, you already know. You already know. One of my favorite items that I found as well. This was the only one that I can find. Girl, it's blinged out. This is a makeup brush set, and I don't know who this is by. Oh, True Beauty, of course. This was, girl, how much was this? Oh, $9.99. Oh, it was $10. But anyways, yes, if you see this, pick it up. I promise you, if I would have been looking for this, if I would have known about it, would have went out on a hunt for it, I would have been able to find it. I didn't know about it, so it just was there. So yeah, this is so cute. I'm gonna put this with the rest of my bling brushes, but I hope I find another pack of these, because yes, that is cute. I was so excited about that, and the packaging is super cute as well. And last but not least, you probably seen this in my vlog, I was not gonna leave the store without it. I got this from Marshalls. This is $12.99, and I'm assuming this is like that one set that I got. It came with brushes and it came with a brush holder, but the brush holder was a coffin shape. I got that before. I do wish the makeup brushes had the blinged out, you know, rhinestones like the brush holder, but it doesn't. Of course I had to get this. I wish it came in different colors, like black and then the like white diamonds or rhinestones. That's everything that I got for, I guess, my second Halloween haul. If you haven't seen my first one, I will leave my vlog link down below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But yeah, like I said, this is a collective fall and Halloween haul. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys comment down below, thumbs up this video, and if you like what you see on my whole entire channel, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.